Hey guys, I'm Payal Kothari. I'm an integrative nutritionist and a gut health coach. And I'm super excited to be launching my book on gut health by mid-March. So I wanted to let you know that gut foods are super important for our gut wellness. And you don't have to be dependent on synthetic medication to improve your digestion, your acidity, your absorption of your food. It all depends on how good your gut wellness or your gut health is. Your gut, aka also known as your digestive system, your gastrointestinal tract, or your intestines. So our gut actually begins from our mouth to our anus, but the main two organs of your gut are your small intestine and your large intestine. So today I'm going to prepare a delicious salad. Now, when I say salad, most people frown at it because they think salad is not yummy or delicious. Well, all my salads are to die for, and you're going to see for yourself. So today I have taken some organic leaves that my friend has sent me from her own farm. We have some delicious khatta bhaji, like salad leaves. We have some celery and we have some lettuce as well. And a few purple salad leaves as well. Very high in nutrients and amazing, and they're organic and they're very rich in fiber and they're greens. So these are your super greens that you need for your nourishment. Also, here I have is strawberries, which are fresh, oranges, which are our local and seasonal fruits. I have some dried cranberries. I'm using olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a little bit of maple syrup. Don't worry, I'll tell you how much proportion to put in your salad, and then as per your taste, you can tweak it. I also have some dadam pomegranate, which is great gut food. I have some pistachios, I have some pine nuts, and I have a trail mix of seeds, which are really good. These are the good fats. So there is good fats, there's seasonal local fruits, there's olive oil, which is one of your best superfood oils. For people who are looking at weight loss, this is one of the top oils that you should use. Also, it's very light on your gut. So it actually lines your gut and helps you seal your gut in case you have a leaky gut, which I think most of us have and we don't know. And then I'm going to use salt and pepper. So let's begin making our delicious, yummy, healthy salad. You're gonna love it. So I'm going to bring my salad bowl. I love using these kind of bowls. It's my weakness. It's my indulgence, actually, my guilty pleasure to pick up all these salad bowls wherever I'm traveling. So this one I think is from Thailand. And I'm going to first toss in my salad leaves. So you can pick anything. You can pick kale, you can pick baby spinach, you can pick celery, you can pick parsley. You can pick any greens. They are delicious as long as you're topping them up with all these yummy condiments and nutrients. So here's my salad. I've tossed in all the greens, great fiber. These are cruciferous greens. They have amazing chlorophyll, really good for your hair, skin, nails, amazing for you to go to the toilet easily. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I'm going to go easy with maple syrup because I'm not a huge fan of sugar, honestly, because we're all looking at losing some weight or the other. But I will indulge in 2 teaspoons. 2 tablespoons of pomegranate dadam. 1 entire orange. 5-6 nice fresh seasonal strawberries. 1 tablespoon of pistachio or 7-8 pistachios. Look at this bowl, it already looks so colorful and a rainbow of nutrients are right in here. These are amazing for your gut health, they're amazing for your cognitive fitness, they're amazing for your skin, hair, your energy levels, and it can be an entire meal. I mean, it can be a lunch or it can also be a salad. and 2 tablespoons of a trail mix of seeds. Now seeds in here are sunflower, pumpkin, watermelon, sesame, whatever you want to put, go for it. Go easy with these dried cranberries because we don't know if they've been dipped in sugar or not. So I'm going to go easy and I'll just go with 1 teaspoon of this. Okay, I'm going to add some salt. The salad became the salt. And some pepper. I really love pepper. I'm a huge fan of pepper. This is what my salad bowl is gonna look like. Now, all you have to do is toss it here. Toss it together. Yogita, if you can zoom into the salad, that will be really nice. Yeah. You can add tahina, you can add hummus, you can add any goodies here. Just make sure they're homemade and they're not from, they don't have preservatives, they don't have stabilizers, they don't have chemicals, because then it's no point eating a salad. It completely defeats the purpose of eating a salad. Make sure you read your ingredients well, make sure you toss your salad well, and here our salad is completely ready. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. It's Payal Kothari. My Instagram handle is Payal Kothari Nutrition. I also have gut wellness products, which is under Gut Avatar. And I'm the founder of a nutrition school called Immune. Yes, a lot of things. I hustle and I love it. Also, I'm going to keep you posted on when we launch our book on health, wellness, and gut health. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.